So guys, let me show you how you can purchase a proxy at your own. Find that most of you that comes to ask for a proxy, but let me plug you with the best site that I use to purchase the proxies at our affordable prices. Okay, so once click link on the description below, and it will take you to this website. Okay, it's called the Proxy Seller. So now, just I need you to follow every step that I'm going to show you, and then you will see how easy it is to purchase a good proxy that will serve you when applying these online jobs. So my name is Victor. Let's start step by step. So first of all, you need to create an account. You can continue with Google or sign up with your email manually. Now guys, once you are in, just come directly to this. You can see at the top here there's a proxy IPv4, proxy IPv6, and the ISP proxies, the internet service provider, and then there's a residential proxies, and there is mobile proxies. For most part, the ISP are the static proxy. Okay, here it is, the ISP. You can choose. They have several countries. At the Europe, you can see this Austria, England, these countries. And if you see the Asia, there's Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, and other ones here, Taiwan. And then you can see in North America there's US and Canada. South America there's Brazil, and this one is a mixed package. But they have a lot of packages, good deals that you can purchase. And then now, but the ones that I usually purchase is either an ISP proxy or a residential proxy for some sites. Okay, which I will, as time goes, I'll show you how which website needs a residential proxy. Okay, now let's continue. Let's start with the ISP, the static proxy. Let's say you choose for North America and you choose for the US. So I need you to follow this guide step by step. Now you can see this one has the static residential proxies. So for one quantity it goes for 3 USD. Okay, and then that's for one IP. If you want to get a 10 IPs, you will get it at $29. So you will get it won't be $3, it will be 2.91 USD. And those are so many IPs. 10 IPs, you can use it the best, and it's SOX 5 or HTTPS. And then now they have a good support team 24/7. If your proxy has an issue, make sure to contact the support team within the 24 hours of purchasing the proxy. All right, and then if you made a mistake and purchased the wrong country, you can reach out to them within the 24 hours so that they can change it for you. Okay, and then now, so let's say you click buy on this one. So now you can see you'll get a discount of 0.09, but here's the trick. I have my own promo code. So if you want to get a good deal and a good discount, just click on the redeem code and then enter this promo code, online jobs 2, and you can see it's activated, and you will get a discount of 0.53 USD. So the total that you're going to pay is 24.7 USD total cost, not to the 29 USD. You'll get a 15% discount. And then after that, location US, rental period, you can choose any. If it's 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, depending with how long you want to take. And then IPs are 10. Purpose for use, you can say remote work, like that. And then authorization, you can put username and password. And then payment, payment, you can use PayPal, you can use Visa card, you can use USDT or USDT, USDS. So you can here is the available payment method you can use, and then after that you just submit the order, and then the proxy will be sent to your email address. Okay, here's the email address. Let's say you used this email address. Once you submit the order, they will make an order, and then they will send the proxy, the IP proxy, to your email address. And make sure to use the promo code online jobs 2. You will get a 15% discount on this, on any proxy or any quantity you want to purchase. Okay, and that's for the static proxy. Now let's go back to the residential proxy. So you can see, you can view plans, and for this one they charge per IP. Okay, per IP, per GB, I mean, sorry, per GB. So you can see that per GB the price is $3.5. So you can see for 9 GBs is, for the 3 GB, I mean, it's $9. So it's the same procedure. It's not hard. And then you can see a plan for 3 GB, it's 9 USD. Same, use the promo code so that you get, but for the residential proxy you'll get a 10% discount. Okay, so use the same promo code. And it's activated. You can see the total cost you'll pay is $8.1. So whenever you use my promo code, you'll get a discount. Okay, and then just like that, you can purchase any proxy that you want, and then after that, that's how, if you get any issue, you can reach out to me, and then I can guide you on the rest. But it's so easy to purchase a proxy like that, and the processes are the same with the other proxies. If it's proxy IPv6, proxy IPv4 are the same, mobile proxies are the same, but the ones that I usually use the most is the ISPs and the residentials. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. For the links, check out on the description below, and the promo code, do not miss to use that and get a discount. So see you guys on the next video.